thing running, put an electric fuel pump in the back, straight wire, just a switch, for sale. No carpet, hole on the floor. AMC rampeter, some rot on the door in the bottom there.
Oh my goodness, bro, hold on. I'm sorry, I'm saying so much. Die.
Come on here.
Oh.
Jump on top of that. What you just saw was fast forward clips of me, my son, and daughter removing the new bed I got from North Jersey the other day. I went all the way to North Jersey, Facebook Marketplace, $125 for a bed, and that was the clip that you saw that I fast forward before this one. We pretty much got the engine hoist, which is sitting right over there. We lifted it off the truck, moved it to the side, and then I took the other bed off. That was the other clip that you saw of me and my daughter removing the bed off earlier today. I just literally chopped anything. I chopped anything that was in the way boat wise. The wiring harness I had to take out. The tail lights I had to take out. And then I pretty much just did this crisscross applesauce ratchet strap deal and lifted it up right in the middle, both beds. You know, took the engine hoist and lifted this bed and drove the truck forward, and as you saw, and then now I vacuumed and I hosed down. I took a garden hose and I hosed down the frame. Now this thing is not pressure washed, it's not prepped, it's not sanded, wire wheel and all that jazz. I literally still have, I think, 3 out of the 6 bolts still in here. I literally just cut the metal around and just broke it off. Same thing for the back side, same thing for this side. Some of it just snapped off, some of it just stood stuck. The worst one is that one right there. I'm going to just take a metal sawzall and cut it and put new hardware in. I'm not going to be too worried about using the old boat, nut and bolt, because as you can see, it was rusty, and this one actually looks like a bone. All right, so I got the wire popped up there. I got the washers there. Tomorrow we'll have to sand, prep, and paint the frame, and then start welding the extension for the muffler. And then we'll have to start cut, weld, grind, and everything, and then paint the bed before I put it on the truck. Mind you, when I say paint the bed, I don't mean paint the outside. I mean paint the under of it, undercoat the bed before I plop it on. And then in the future, we worry about painting the outside. I do want to power wash everything, and I think it will be a cool little clip to do, you know, in those power wash videos, the real satisfying ones, because this thing is dirty. So far, what I got done to this truck, I'm going to try and go through it real quick. Sanding and painting the wheels. Had an extra cap in the shed for the center that was free. The paint cost me about $10 for 3 cans, and I still have the clear paint can, mostly Rust-Oleum stuff, until a motorcycle passed by. Inside the cab, I don't have nothing done except for a radio that I had from my old Jeep, and a knob from the MSC box. This truck has a MSC box that cost me around $700. This is the MSC box for the ignition system. It is a BTM. It costs around $700. That was a Christmas gift for my wife. What else? The coil on this truck is MSD Spitfire or something like that. It's the TFI, I think, Ford ignition coil, and that was from my previous truck, so that was free. The tail lights came with the truck, is right there, but I did get a set of tail lights with the bed, and this bed costed $125. All right, something happened to my memory. I had to fix my phone. All right, I'm recording this off my phone. So like I was saying, spray paint on the wheels, a couple bucks. Radio with some Jeep, but it's from Amazon, 30 bucks or something like that, but it was from a previous vehicle. MSD box, 700 bucks. It was a Christmas present. Coils from the previous truck, that was free. What else I did to this truck? Oh, I put a radiator in it. That was, I think, 60 bucks. Other than gas and driving it, that's pretty much on the truck, pretty much. I'm trying to think if I'm missing anything. I did clean up a lot of the wiring. I did take out the fog light stickers when I first bought this truck. Obviously, I'm getting a new bed. That's where I left off at. It's 125 bucks for the bed. The back bumper was rusty. My wife bought me a roll pan. I think that was 80 bucks off of Amazon. Then, since I bought this bed for 125 bucks, it still has some rust because it's hard to find a bed for a long bed Ford truck in the Northeast. She bought me replacement arch panels for right here. This bed did come with the with the OEM tail lights. And excuse me, I had to sneeze. I had to pause the video real quick. So I'm going to try and make money back off this truck and scrap this bed, get some money back in my pocket. I'm going to sell that bed liner, put some money back in my pocket. Oh, the turbo piping I bought off of Amazon, I think for like 80 bucks as a kit. And I already have a splitter on the intake manifold, which is pretty much an exhaust wide pipe, and 2 couplings. That was actually one long company from eBay. I think that was a total of $20-$30. So everything on this truck's pretty much on the dirt cheap. I still gotta paint it. I still need to do some more work on it. I still need to obviously remove the rust. I still need a carpet kit for this truck, but at least I'm making money back by selling that, scrapping that bed, and putting money back on this truck. And I also ordered a boost gauge that is like 16 bucks off of Amazon. It's a real cheap one. It doesn't even go up that high, which is fine because I'm only going to put, I think, 7 psi on this engine. And the turbo and the oil lines and everything, the turbo is 140, 135 or something like that. It's just rounded up to 140. And the oil line and the kit and the flange was another, I don't know, 20 bucks, 30 bucks. So it sounds like it's a lot. Oh yeah, even the shackles. The shackles was from the previous truck that I got from a friend, so that was free. So my thing is, I have a lot of parts for these trucks. And the reason why is because I had one previously that I was used to work on and change the setup on it. So I try to keep parts, obviously, and then if I do get another project vehicle, it would benefit me if it's a Ford, because one of the center caps from the previous truck fit here and helped me out. The coil helped me out, even though I didn't need one. I just like to put matching parts on. So if you're ever trying to do a project vehicle and you start off with, let's say, a Ford or a Subaru or a Honda, you might have parts laying around that might benefit the next project. And if you keep it the same brand or the same drivetrain, maybe you have parts left over that you could use for something else. Also, you could sell parts off your car that you don't need. Like this bed liner, it just holds dirt. It rusts out the bed. That bed is getting replaced, and unfortunately, I have to replace it. However, I can't just throw that bed out on the street. And so somebody could scrap it. I should scrap it myself and make the money myself. And then I got an extra set of tail lights. Now I got an extra set of tail lights that I could sell or keep for another project. So with that being said, this is part 1 of the whole bed removal. And then I'm going to finish this with a clip of a car show that I went to. Today it is Saturday, Memorial Day weekend. So for those who serve, thank you so much, and God bless you guys, and God bless your family. I have a lot of family members and friends that's in the military, and thank you so much. God bless you guys. And for those who are going out Memorial Day, please drive safe. I don't condone drinking or doing other stuff, but if you do, be safe. You know, you got yourself to look after, and if you're a parent like me, you got other people to look after as well. So that being said, I hope you liked this video. Again, thanks for those who serve. Happy Memorial Day to everybody. Be safe. If you want, like the video, subscribe. I'm up to 200 subscribers. That's pretty cool, I guess. I like to make videos, and I hope you appreciate the content. See you guys. God bless. Yeah, I'm having a geek moment right now. This is so cool. I like it. They are similar. You could tell because of the lights, and then you see the fin, and then you see that one over there.